What's up, guys? My name is RoyaleRebelle and I ordered some makeup. So I don't know if you guys have seen online, but like ColourPop has been going super hard pre-promoting their restock of the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette, and I just had to order it. I was actually really sad I didn't order it last year, and while this isn't the whole entire set, mostly just because I'm trying to be smarter about the makeup I buy and not, just buy sets just to buy sets. This is a decent chunk of it, and I'm just really excited to show it off for you guys. Like, I think one of the things I enjoy most, one of the pieces of content I enjoy making most is unboxing videos. Oh my god, why is this box difficult to open? It's like folded really, there we go. I really enjoy like unboxing products. I don't know what it is, like they're fun to watch, they're fun to make. Like, this is just my thing that I enjoy doing, so that is what I'm doing. But I'm just gonna pull it out with the bubble wrap. But here we are. I think this is just an invoice, but it looks like colorful paper. Yes, okay. They just gave me an invoice on pink paper, so I was like, oh, did they do like a special promo thing? But here we are. We have our beautiful pieces. Another reason I'm really excited about this too is because I really want to do like a holiday inspired look for like TikToks. I might label it as an OC character, just because like, I don't know, I'm really feeling the holiday spirit. I don't have the money to make like a holiday specific cosplay, but I do have enough to like order this dress I've seen other cosplayers wear previous years. So I got the Couple of Misfits lip gloss trio. It comes in, it comes in Dolly, Misfit Elephant, and Henry. And these are actually some really nice neutral colors, I feel like. And then next I have the There's Always Tomorrow lip pencil. I don't usually use lip pencils, so I'm using this as a good excuse to get into like better makeup habits. And then the Piece de Resistance is the, sorry, I don't know why it looks so bright here, but the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette, which I am super excited for. And I'm just gonna slip this bad boy out of the box real quick to show off. I'm not going to swatch it, mostly just because I kind of suck at swatching, but to show off the palette. Oh, look how pretty it is! I think my favorite thing about this palette is that it is really versatile. So you have, like, the greens and reds, but, like, there's really only two of those colors are super bright. So, like, the Christmas tree, or Christmassy time and Handsome Nose are, like, really the only, like, I don't even want to call those, like, not neutral colors, but I like that most of this palette is neutral, so it is, like, usable most of the year. But yeah, so it's just a quick little unboxing. What do you guys think? And if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more unboxing makeup cosplay content, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more content.